Hey everyone, Celia Lice Lady here. Thanks for joining. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more content on head lice, the how-tos, the how-don'ts, and also information on just how to get rid of lice, debunking myths, things like that. So today we're going to talk about the best over-the-counter drug treatments. My honest opinion, I don't think that there really are any best or good over-the-counter drug treatments. They have a lot of permethrins in them, pesticides. It's the pesticides that we spray on our yard. It's the pesticides that we spray in our houses, things like that, outside of our houses. These are typically products that I wouldn't want. I don't know if you do, but I wouldn't want them on my kids' heads, and I don't want them on our clients' heads. So when people come in here after using products like Rid and Nix, they typically will come in. You can smell the pesticide on their head, and on top of that, they're still coming in with a head full of lice. So the product seems to be ineffective. Also, it's a pesticide. I've said that a lot, but it's a pesticide. A treatment that I would recommend would be our heated air. That kills the eggs, 88% of the bugs. You're gonna walk out free and clear, one and done. Something else, if you don't have access to a clinic near you, what I do recommend is our comb and our oil. It's super simple, making sure that you use this comb and then a bottle of oil, putting you on a treatment process to make sure that even if you happen to miss a couple of those eggs, this oil is going to kill the bugs before they have a chance to grow and to mate and to lay more eggs. So really the process is effective, it's efficient, and there's no pesticides in here. So you can feel good and feel better about what you're putting on your kid's head versus the other treatments. To check out these products, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any comments or questions, please don't forget to ask. We would love to answer your questions that you have, and have a lice-free and happy day.